Our timing is the month of May. And with respect to buyouts, we have worked with the UAW to offer buyouts and try to handle these moves in the most delicate way possible to try to buffer the situation for individual people. I would anticipate that we would continue to do that, but that's something we'd need to negotiate with the UAW. I would say our decision on Pontiac would result in the phase out of the G8, from the Australian operation. It's actually in many ways a very fine car, but we're just not able to put the marketing resources behind it. And we would work with the dealers to sell down the inventory and phase out production. And we would anticipate that by the end of this year. I'm a believer in dealing with reality. What we need to do is we need to develop a balance sheet for the company that can support the company as we get through a difficult period. We've gotten great support from the Treasury, great support actually from the UAW and from all the parties as we've gone through this difficult period of time. But in the end, a lot of people are going to be asked to make sacrifices, including converting debt to equity. So the fact is, you just deal with reality. And the Treasury has viewed this matter from day one, I think, very professionally, number one, and number two, as kind of a private equity investment. I mean, they've taken a private equity approach to the evaluation of this. And it's been helpful. It's pushed us in a lot of ways, which has been fine. But I also think in terms of what their intentions would be, they're kind of viewing it as private equity. As to what they would do if they were to achieve that kind of shareholding, you'd have to ask them. But their view has been so far they really want the company to develop the restructuring plan. They want the management team to deliver, and they expect to hold us accountable. We're fine with that.